Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to find reliable suppliers for your dropshipping business. What I would recommend is using Shopify, as it's a very cheap way for you to create a business. And then within Shopify, you have different apps that you can install into your business site, which will help you look different dropshipping suppliers. One that I know of, for example, is CJ's Dropshipping, which you can integrate Shopify with, and they send out orders very quickly from China straight to the person who bought your product home address. This is just one example. However, when you do have a Shopify account, you'll be able to see lots of different suppliers on there, and you can even connect, for example, straight to AliExpress as an example. So when someone puts an order through your website, it will place an order straight on AliExpress to be delivered straight to that person's house address. And same goes for CJ's Dropshipping. I'd also recommend looking at, for example, other people who are known dropshippers and follow their steps if they have any sort of videos showing how they dropship or different suppliers that they may use. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.